Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken leg soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of chicken legs, which will provide a rich flavor to your soup. Also, have 6 cups of good quality chicken broth ready, along with 1 cup of your favorite chopped vegetables, such as carrots and celery. Don't forget some aromatic herbs like 2 bay leaves and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme to enhance the taste. Now, let's get started with the preparation. Begin by browning your chicken legs in a large pot with 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium-high heat for about 5 minutes on each side. This step adds depth of flavor. Next, toss in your chopped onions and minced garlic, cooking them for about 3 minutes until they become fragrant. Then, deglaze the pot with 1/2 cup of chicken broth, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. With your base ready, it's time to build the soup's full flavor. Pour in the remaining 5 1/2 cups of chicken broth, along with your chopped vegetables. Add the 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and season generously with salt and pepper to taste. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 45 minutes, or until the chicken is tender and easily pulls from the bone. Finally, let's finish up this delicious chicken leg soup. Carefully remove the cooked chicken legs from the pot. Once cool enough to handle, shred the meat from the bones, discarding the skin and bones. Return the tender shredded chicken back into the soup, stirring everything together to combine. Serve hot with your favorite crusty bread or a sprinkle of fresh parsley. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.